Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making curried pork Jamaican style. First, cut your pork into small pieces and get that washed in some salt water. Next, you're gonna add our seasonings. Mix our powdered seasons together. That's all-purpose pork seasoning if you have it. You can use the seasons that you like to make it flavorful. Next, we're adding our thyme, scallion, and onions to the mixture. I'm gonna rub that in. After you seasoned your pork, you're gonna leave it overnight so it can soak better. Get all that flavor in. I'm gonna add some curry powder and mix it in. So when you're ready to cook, you get your pot hot, get your oil hot, and we're gonna add curry powder to the oil and let it burn in the oil so you don't have any running belly. So let the curry burn for a few seconds or minutes. Stir it and let it burn. Next, we're adding our pork chopped without the seasonings, as in the onions and stuff. Try to get the pork in the pot without those seasonings because we want to add them later. Next, we're gonna stir our meat so it can have the color of the curry. So stir periodically, is that the word? Stir occasionally. Let that fry a bit and continue stirring so it doesn't stick into the pot. Add a little water, stir, let that cook for a while. So we're gonna cover our pot and let that cook. After that has been cooking for a few minutes, we're gonna stir again. Next, we're gonna add our seasons that we have set aside from the first part of the video. Stir that in. Next, we're gonna add some water to pressure our pork because we're using a pressure cooker. So add enough water to cover the meat. Cover your pot and we're going to pressure. And this is the final product after it has been pressured for a while. This is your curried pork Jamaican style. Serve it up on a plate and bon appetit.